Hey guys, this is Kenneth with Joplin Outdoors.com. Today I've got the Kammok hammock here with straps and ridgeline. So this is the Kammok Roo Double. I've got the Python 10-foot ultralight, and I've got their ridgeline with organizer. You see me with I did a review on this or a demo with the Roo Double earlier, but these have just came in the mail, and these are so small and so light. I haven't opened them yet, so I'm pretty excited about that. So we are going to open them. I will have to pause this video and I will start recording again once I have them open. So here I've got everything open. These are the ultralight straps. I'm going to hang them up, but they are, weight limit's 300 pounds, which I should be good there. I'm a pretty big guy, but not that big. There's the ridgeline. And there's the organizer for the ridgeline. So let me go ahead and get my hammock set up, and then I will be right back to show you guys. Actually, let me hang the straps real quick, and I'll show you guys what they look like on the tree. Everything all set up here. I've got the ridgeline on. I got my storage bag there, the hammock set up. The straps look good. I really like how they end up hugging the tree up there. These are the ultralights. Ridgeline, I'm not used to a ridgeline like this. Doesn't mean it's bad or anything like that. It just means that I'm used to a ridgeline that's made out of amzn that can hold my body weight. So this one's okay. Just not used to it. Here's the tension mechanism. Just pull that and it tightens up. Works real good once you're laying down. And then they gave you these little hanging straps for moving if you want to hang other stuff to it. The bag, I guess you could hook the hooks here on the bag if you wanted to and let it hang, but I kind of like hanging it on the rope like that. That way I can slide it down by my feet when I don't want it and pull it up to me when I do want it. These here could be used for something else, maybe hanging a flashlight or a pair of pliers or my knife or something that I need semi-handy. The hammock, man, I just love this hammock. It's so soft. Can't really describe how soft it is, but it is so comfortable. So, a few other things I need to order from Kammok is I want to get an underquilt this year for winter camping, and maybe an overquilt or one of their blankets they have too. I'm going to see everything so far is very small and lightweight, which I'm really digging. It'd be perfect for backpacking. All this is, I think I might be, with all this, I'm still smaller than my original setup with the ridgeline and the hammock and straps. So once I get my rainfly, I still should be good, because rainfly will add a little bit, but it shouldn't be that much. And the rainfly I'm looking at, they have actually collects water for a water filtration system, so that you have clean water. So anyways, a lot to explore with this brand, and I'll probably be ordering some more products soon. But overall, I give this this is the A+. Give it 5 stars. Digging it. All right, thanks guys.